Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make potechiki nugget. This is like chicken nugget and hash brown put together. It's great for snack, great for meal, great for bento box and great with beer. You can enjoy the meatiness of chicken nugget and fluffiness of hash brown at the same time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this potechiki nugget, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra for the bento box for the rest of the week. 2 chicken breasts, it's about 800 grams. Some potato, about 600 grams. 5 tablespoons each of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, and potato starch or cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and some salt and pepper. Let's cut the potatoes using food processor. So peel the skin. If you see any eyes, remove it using the heel of the knife. Cut them into chunks. Then into the food processor. My food processor is not big enough, so I'm doing half of this first. Put the cover on and make it into small pieces, just like hash brown. Into a large bowl. Same for the other half. This is how fine you want to make it. And chicken. Remove the skin. Trim off all the fat. Cut into chunks. Into the food processor. Then into the bowl of potato. Same for the other chicken. potato starch, mayonnaise, garlic paste, and salt and pepper, about 2 teaspoons. And mix it well until everything is well combined. Now, I don't see any pocket of potatoes, and the chicken is working like a glue to stick the potatoes together. Now, it's time to fry. I'm heating up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. I'm using rice oil today, but you can use any vegetable oil that you normally use to deep fry. Let's put damp chopsticks into the oil to check the temperature. I see small bubbles coming up from the chopsticks. That means the oil is ready. Using 2 spoons, let's drop about 2 tablespoons of the mixture gently into the oil. And fry them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's golden brown. Looks good on both sides. So let's take them out and drain. Okay, all fried, so it's time for the tasting. The sauce I'm using today is a mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise, 1-to-1. But you can use any sauce you like. Honey mustard, barbecue, sweet chili, and sour cream. Anything you like. Let's dip it in the sauce. And いただきます。It's very crunchy on the outside, but so soft and fluffy inside. I do feel like I'm having chicken nugget and hash brown in one bite. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. You can of course have it with rice and soup, but it's nugget. So let's forget about the layout and let's go for hamburger. Some salad or pickles to refresh your palate and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!